This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Juke. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a low tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, satellite radio, a turbocharger, aluminum wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: a heated driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a passenger side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel controls, full power accessories, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.